Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are doing my Vegancuts beauty box unboxing. And it seems like this month we're getting a lot of products. It seems like there's going to be 7 according to the card, which is really exciting. Must be an extra special Earth Day thing or something, I don't know. But I am jazzed about it, so let's go ahead and get to seeing what's in here. So this month the card on one side has 3 different write-ups on how you can reduce your beauty waste, so sustainable ways to update your beauty routine. And then the other side, it looks like, yeah, the theme is beautiful ways to love our planet. So let's dig in and see what item we get first. So this is from Lotus Eco, and it is menstrual tampons, biodegradable, hypoallergenic, 100% organic, Australian owned. So that's interesting. So super interesting, and I see how it fits the planet theme, being that they are eco-friendly and biodegradable. I would say probably not everyone that gets the bag, not 100% of bag subscribers maybe have a menstruating vagina, so maybe it's not super accessible to the widest array of audiences, because anyone can be into beauty products. But I see what they're going for here, and even myself, I use a menstrual cup, so I think this would be helpful to have on hand if I know it's coming soon but it's not here yet, and I could use it on an emergency, or if I have a friend come over and they need something in an emergency circumstance. But I don't know that this is the most accessible thing, nor is it the most eco-friendly menstruation thing. So we're sending some mixed signals here, and we're not being very inclusive with this product, if I'm being completely honest, but it is fitting to the theme, so that's cool. Let's read about it. Let's see, it's a 3-pack for travel, $3.83 value. Lotus.eco tampons are 100% biodegradable and compostable, including the bioplastic packaging. Their supply chain is based on sustainable circular economy, partnering with suppliers who focus on eliminating waste and reusing resources. So, I mean, an interesting product to include. I don't know if it's something that I'll actually end up using, but I'm going to absolutely keep it on hand. Or if I know of a women's shelter collecting those kind of things, specifically requesting for it, I'd probably put it in a care package for them. Next item is the Brilliant Black Toothpaste with Activated Charcoal. And this is from Terra & Co. I think I have one of these already in my bathroom from a different subscription, and it's not like toothpaste goes bad, so I'm just adding this to my stash because I don't tend to go through the black ones, the like charcoal ones, as fast. I try to use them less frequently than my regular toothpaste, just because of the effects that charcoal can have on certain medicines or birth control or anything like that. So just keep that in mind when using it. Maybe use it every few days. But I'm not mad about this because it's something I will use. Toothpaste is something you always use, so pretty cool. So this is a $10 value. This eco-friendly toothpaste is sustainably made in the USA with only plant materials, completely non-toxic, and packaged in recyclable tubes made from sugar cane, which is 70% less fossil fuel, which uses 70% less fossil fuel than traditional petroleum-based plastics. So pretty cool. And you know, it's kind of the same thing as this. It'll get used somehow or another. Just don't know when. But this I will personally use eventually. Let's see, from Theo. These are organic peanut butter and jelly cups, 55% dark chocolate. This is our bonus item this month, a $2.30 value. Theo sources organic and fair trade certified cacao. Like what goes into these delicious 55% chocolate, peanut butter, and jelly cups to ensure that their products benefit farmers and the environment. So kind of same but different. I don't like peanut butter. Sue me. I know I don't like it. More for the rest of y'all that do. but Austin will definitely eat this. So definitely something different and interesting to get in the bag. I like that they included a sweet. I think that's kind of cool. This is from Owl in a Towel. We've had products from them before. I think a hand sanitizer from them. And this is the Bergamot Hand Cream. Cool. I think that might be a similar scent to the hand sanitizer. So let's see. This is a $9 value. Owl in a Towel utilizes innovative packaging with all their products, and sustainability is the main focus at every level of the production process. This Bergamot Hand Cream does not contain any synthetics and is packaged in a recyclable sugarcane tube. So this has the sugarcane tube too. Must be a new technology. That's really cool. Let's open it and get a sniff. Actually, you don't really smell the scent at all. It's very, very, very mild. Yeah, not much of a scent to that at all, which actually is maybe a better thing than having a scent, because then it's not gonna mess with your perfume or get all up in your nose. So I think that's pretty cool. Definitely something I'll use once again. Cool. This is, I guess the company is called Patch. Natural bamboo strip bandages with activated charcoal for bites and splinters. So I guess they're just band-aids or bandages. Let's find out. Yes, that's what they are. $2.99 value. Patch puts extensive thought into the sustainable production of the products, from the materials to the packaging, as well as planting over 20,000 trees to offset carbon. These bamboo bandages are 100% compostable from the packaging to the bandage. That's pretty cool. And actually, this might seem silly, but I'm actually pretty excited about this, because this little package is perfect to throw in your purse, because you're always on the go and oops, an accidental paper cut, or scratch yourself on something, or I don't know, someone's kid trips and falls in the middle of nowhere. Like, nice to have this kind of stuff on hand. So pretty cool. I'm liking the sustainability theme here. This is kind of fun. Then we have from Derma-E Essentials the Microdermabrasion Scrub with citral oil blend and Dead Sea salt. I want to say I've had this before, or I have it already. I'm not 100% sure. But this is an $8.12 value. Derma-E is consistently striving to lessen its impact on the environment. All packaging is recyclable, and 100% of conventional electricity is used to offset with wind energy certificates. Every purchase supports various environmental programs. So I know I've had this before if I don't already have it, and I don't remember what the consistency of the scrub itself is like. Let me feel it. Yeah, the grain feels pretty fine. I might use this. We'll see. I don't necessarily love the idea of it being a physical exfoliant and having citrus oil, so it's like you're scraping up your skin and putting a sensitizing ingredient on it. I don't love that juxtaposition, but I'll have to test it out on my skin and see how my skin responds. Since it's a cleanser type product essentially, and it won't be on the skin long, I'm willing to give it a try. We still have another product. Can you believe there's still more in here? Let's see, it comes in this cute little packaging, which this packaging, if the theme is sustainability and for the planet, does seem a little bit gratuitous. We don't really need that, but I'll save it and put it to the side for the sake of using for a Poshmark order of jewelry or something. But I guess they did it like that because it comes with a spatula. Maybe they want to rethink that if that's the goal, is sustainability for these particular products. This is from Plant Based Beauty. It's an avocado and algae face mask. Y'all know I love face masks. So here's what it looks like. Very, very plain packaging. And then a little spatula that comes with it. So let's see. This is a $22 value, so this is the highest cost item in the box, which is exciting because I love masks. So to know it's the best value, I'm very jazzed about that. Plant-based beauty is dedicated to minimizing its environmental impact by using ethically sourced organic ingredients and conscious packaging designs. Kind of funny given that it was in this little bag, which seemed a little superfluous. But anyway, not only is this face mask packaged in a recyclable jar, but everything included is upcycled. Okay, I can be down with that if this was used for something else and this was once used for something else. That feels a little more authentic to me. Let's see. Oh, it's a powder one, so it's like one you need to add liquid to. If you can see, it's like a spinach or a kale green. Cool. Well, I'm very excited about that. I love face masks. Honestly, I'm not using them enough lately because I've been a little bit lazy, so I need to start using them up more, but I do love a face mask. So overall, definitely gonna use this. Excited about it. Definitely gonna use this. It's toothpaste. It's not that exciting, but I will use it, so that's exciting in itself. Very excited about this little nifty pack of bandages, even though it's like it's band-aids, but also like it's in a nifty little pack, so they'll be kept together and I can throw this in my purse, which is really nice. Very excited about this. Don't love peanut butter, but I do love the fact that they included a sweet for us. I think that was very nice. Not something I will probably personally use, but something I will definitely make sure is used, and not a terrible idea if this is the means that you are most comfortable with getting through your menstrual cycle. And then this is an iffy one. This is the one where I'm on the fence. We'll have to see how it goes. But even if, like, 4 products, which sometimes these boxes are just 4 products, although I will say I think this one's usually more like 5, I'm happy. I'm very happy with this one. I think it was great. I'm super pleased with it. I want to know what you guys think. How do you think the Vegancuts box went? And I will say, unrelated to this video, the Vegancuts snack box this month, very pleased with it. Like, super excited to try all those snacks. Although one of these is in there, so I guess Austin's getting 2 of them, so I know I'm not going to use that. But everything seemed interesting, and also it all seemed like stuff we haven't gotten before, and so I'm really excited about that. And I liked this one, so if you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. I will try to link to everything I'm wearing if it is available down below. And as always, once again, I apologize for the inconsistent filming / posting schedule, but I promise I will tell you guys what's going on in my life whenever it makes sense to do so. It's just a lot, and it's been keeping us a little busy. So I will talk to you all in the next video.